To open the filament box and load material, apply a bit of pressure on the bottom door. Push the transparent cover forward to access the inside of the box. Put the filament spool in the box and then insert the filament in the black hole as shown in the video. Select the material button. Choose the nozzle for material loading. Select which material to load. Make sure there is no residual material left, then press next. Wait for the nozzle to reach the material melting temperature. Install the material and insert it into the extruder. Click next when you see that the material is being conveyed forward by the gear. The gear will convey material in high speed and then in low speed. Some material should now be extruding out of the nozzle. Material loading is completed. For more details, please refer to the user manual.